Smoked barbecue pulled pork in a Dutch oven? Absolutely. You gotta try it. Let's check it out. Time to make the barbecue. Pulled pork, that is. Today we're gonna try a little something different. We're gonna start this pulled pork out on the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco smoker. And then we're gonna move it on into the house, finish it off in a Dutch oven. Again, if you know me, my favorite rub, Pit Boss pulled pork rub. Get it at Walmart. Love it. It's my favorite. Pulled pork is a 12-hour cook, so it takes quite a bit of time. I got up at 3:30, get this thing on the smoker by 4, pull it off by 8, in the oven by 8:15, and that means by about 4:15, dinner is done, served on the table. So let's get at it. The first 4 hours on the smoker is going to build that flavor profile we're looking for. We want that smoke. We want that crust. We want this thing really flavorful. Sun is up, rain or shine, I'm making barbecue. It don't even matter if it's snowing out. We're going to get it done. We have about an hour to go, so I'm going to hit it with some apple cider vinegar. And give it a little moisture, close it back up, be right back. There she is, what you all been waiting for. It's that Dutch oven. What is this man doing? Making barbecue in a Dutch oven? Well, if you watch my previous video, last time I made pulled pork, I did the first 4 hours on the smoker. I brought it in the house and stuck it in the oven, wrapped it and stuck it in the oven. Well, this time I thought about it and I said, you know what? I got this Dutch oven I don't never use. Let me try that. Let me see how this thing works out. So let's see how it works out. 8 hours later. 8 hours, 265. Let's see where we're at. Never opened it, never checked on it. 212. 212. It's good. We're ready to go. Hey you, while you're watching our video, why don't you give us a big thumbs up, let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I have to say, I know it's a little cliche, but woo-wee, that looked good. Well, it came out delicious, just as it would if it was wrapped. No change at all. I love it. I'll do it again. Thanks for watching.